If you could read my mind, you'd fall down to your knees. You'd see the thousand silent screams. I'm begging not to breathe. If you could hear my thoughts, the ones I hide so well, you'd cry for who I am inside. It's a private kind of hell. I smile like I'm fine, like nothing's out of line. But if you could read my mind, you'd break down every time. I wake up with the war already raging, coffee cup shaking in my hand. There's a storm behind my eyelids, but I'm calm enough to stand. I memorize the art of laughing at the right time in the right place. You see sunlight on my surface, you don't see the cracks in the vase.